In this short video I'm going to show you the assembly of the JEUWITH inline skates, and then I'm also going to show you how they work when we drive them. So what we have to do is to replace the axles here on these two last wheels, so we can mount the braking pad, and we get also this tool here. What's important to know is that they are really hard secured here, so I don't suggest to use this side, so I suggest to use this side, so we have more power here to tighten and untighten. We can untighten this here, and from here to here same thing. Here we can go all the way around, there's no problem. So we can remove these two axles here in the back, one here as well, and then you can see the difference. We get two blue ones and we get two neutral ones, and we need the neutral ones because they only have a thread here. Inside they have a thread, and here on this side they have a thread. The blue ones, they do not have a thread, so we can't use them for the braking pads, so we put them on the side. And so we are going to use these ones here, and so we put them back like the normal ones, but now we have the thread here, and we secure them with this tool or with anything else. And now here comes the braking pad, and we put them on both sides here, very easy. And so now we need these screws here, and we put them on top, and also one here in the back. I highly recommend to not fully secure it from the beginning, only secure them fully when you have them on both sides. So here we go to the other side, so we secure this one as well, and the last one here in the back. So it's very easy, especially when you're using an electric tool. It's also very fast, doesn't even take 5 minutes for the whole thing, and at the very end you give some extra push here with this tool again to make sure that everything is nicely secured here. And same thing on the other side. Now we have everything good and stable, and you can see the wheels are nicely turning. Then of course you also want to know how you can tighten the shoes. Of course we have this shoelace which we get, but we have also these two very convenient straps. And the mechanism how this works is that we have this flap here. We can lift it up and very easily tighten it. Just by doing this thing here a couple of times, you can see it's tightening the grip here. And if you want to untighten it again, we just push here to this side and we can fully remove it. And on top we have a little bit of different system. We can just lift this flap up and then open it fully, so we can enter this inline skate very nicely, so it's open. And as soon as we are inside, we lift this flap here on this side, we push it all the way, this strap here, to this side, and then we let it flip back, and then it's automatically secured. That's super easy. And on top of that, again, we have the shoelaces. And we can also remove the shoe inside for easily cleaning and drying, you can see. So this is how it looks now from inside. Has also these openings here. I don't know if you can see them here inside, for some extra ventilation. Of course there are no holes here, but this is no solid material, this is just fabric, so it can evaporate through here, then the humidity can go away through the bottom of this shoe. I think it's really nice construction here. It's a little bit more wide for extra protection when you slide to the side or so. I think everything is nicely built. This strap can be moved all the way around to give some extra space here, especially to remove the inner shoe. So I've been outside now testing them for a little bit, and they worked really great. I've already had a couple of such or similar inline skates, and I would say these have definitely the best ball bearings which I've ever seen. They roll so nicely, it's extremely, they roll almost on its own. It's really amazing how good the ball bearings are. And one thing I noticed, I actually forgot to tell you, is that this strap here has to go into the housing here. I mean, of course you could also use it outside, but then it's a little bit dangerous shoulders, and so they made actually an opening here where it nicely fits, so there is nothing standing out, and it's very safe like that. That's the only thing I think which I forgot. And so I can tell you everything worked really good. It's very comfortable, it has a really nice hold, it feels very secure, comfortable, but easy to ride, and so I can give you full recommendation, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.